Uy, mga kaibigan, may nag-abot sa akin ng pagkain dito. Mark D, may nag-abot ng pagkain. Ang pangalan ay Special Butterscotch. Mukhang dayuhan ng tunog, no? Scotch. May pagkain palang butterscotch. Akala ko, alak lang scotch eh. Brand ng alak ba yan? O, diba? Uri ng lipunan na gumawa ng alak na yan. Magulo. Bongbong's Finest Delicacy. Saan to galing? Sa Bacolod? Uy! Bakit isa lang? Reklamo pa. Mga kaibigan, kung nagugulat kayo kung anong ginagawa ko ngayon, wala naman, si Pendaflex may ginagawa sa kabilang line. Sinisigurado po niya na makukuha niya ng tamang detalyeng kailangan niyang kunin dahil hindi lang po 10 times, but 11 times siguro. Oo, mali yung narinig ni Pendaflex. Ipakonsulta kasi Pendaflex, mga kaibigan, sa EENT, di ba? Ayan ha, may caller tayo sa kabilang line. Dalaga po ito, mga kaibigan. Babae ang ating caller. Kung dalaga, hindi ako sure. Basta babae. Si Lerica. Wow, Lerica. Ang ganda na pangalan, ha? And ito na, mga kaibigan, ha? Hello?
Hi.
Ha? Wow. May tunog, mga kaibigan, ha? Excuse me, good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Wow. Bang time zone ito. Your name is, how do you say your name?
Larica.
Larica. Alright, by the way, I'm Coco.
Oh, Coco Martino.
Oh, hayop. Yes. My name is Coco Martino. I am a Latino. Larica.
Yes.
How young are you?
I'm turning 28.
Alright. So I suspect you are 27 right now.
Yeah.
Okay. So kanina sabi mo good afternoon. Nasaan ka ngayon?
Dito sa Canada.
Oh, Quebec?
No.
Where?
Ontario.
Ontario.
Uh-huh.
Oh, di ba kung makaaha para masinubo siya, no?
Oy, wala.
Oh, di wala.
Nyapit din.
Di ba sa... uy, Ilocana ka?
Uh-huh.
Ay naman ang dakkalati. Dakkal sabsabot di ko dyan. Orita. Lerica, gaano ka nakatagal dyan sa Canada?
Turning 9 years.
9 years na. Alright, Nana. Gaano ka nakatagal nakaantabay sa akin?
Almost 2 years na rin.
And,
And it's
what
my first
are
time.
the bad effects?
Just go on.
What are the benefits of tuning in to my show?
Okay. For me, para akong nasa Pilipinas.
Talaga. So, isa ako sa mga kabayan memorabilia sa iyo dyan, kumbaga.
Yes.
Mahayop sa term. Ano po?
Lahat ng mga kaibigan ko, I always tell them to tune in your station.
Maraming salamat. Alright. This morning, you are calling my show.
Yes.
Alright. Para, ano?
To confess. That was 3 years ago.
2 years ago. It happened 2 years ago.
It was 3 years ago.
3 years ago. Okay. So, Lerica, before we go on, describe yourself to Peppa Jack. Diba? Ay, sabi ko Papa, hindi Peppa Jack. Please lang ko lang.
Well, chubby. Or I can say fat.
Chubby?
Yeah, I think so.
Sabi ni Mark D, I believe. Uy, Lerica.
Yes.
Did you know that Mark did this just a while back? Oh, di ba umi-English ako, di ba?
Hindi mo Tagalog na lang.
I want to speak in English. Why? Is there anything wrong?
No, nothing.
All right, that's good. All right, did you know that Mark did just a while back, maybe like 5 minutes ago, he was wishing to be an animal.
Oh, yeah?
Not that he is not an animal right now, but he wants to be a specific animal, like amphibian. He wants to be pagong.
Oh,
Yeah.
Pagong.
You know, your pagong is mabukol, ho?
yeah.
Mark D, I pronounce you today, you are now a pagong just for tonight.
Mabagal yun.
Mabagal yun. Tomorrow, you will be a pagi. Pagi stingray. Sige. You are a chubby girl.
Yes.
And what is your height?
I think 5'3" or 5'4", I don't know.
That's tall for a Filipina.
Hindi masyado.
For a Filipina.
Yeah.
Yeah. For a,
Oh, yeah.
for a Canadian, syempre hindi, te.
Ay, oo.
Nagsabog si Lord ng katangkaran sa buong mundo, binigay niya sa mga Amerikano. Di ba? Nung nagsabog si Lord ng mga buhok, sinalo ng mga Indians yan. Arabs.
Yeah.
Oo. Pero nung magsabog si Lord ng tigyawat, maraming Pinoy ang lumabas. Pansin niyo ba, tayo yung lahing from sa tigyawat? Hindi ko maintindihan. There's something wrong. Alright, so 5'4" in height, chubby.
Yes.
What's your complexion? Polka dots?
Hindi. I don't know. I think I'm kinda puti.
Okay. Siyempre, Canada na no?
Pero nagpapatan ako.
Bakit ganon? Kayo dyan nagpapatan. Dito kami, ang mahal, nagluto tayo dito. Diba, it's selling like pancake in the Philippines.
Ayun nga yung sabi ng kaibigan kong puti eh. How come mostly Filipino back home they're using whitening lotion, sabi?
Yeah, because we can afford to buy, kamo.
And then, yung mga puti daw, nagpapaitim daw sila.
We are never contented, di ba, sa mga bagay na meron tayo.
Correct.
Meron tayo, di ba?
Yes.
Ganun tayo. Minsan, we want something. Pag nakuha mo yung something, you want another.
Nung nandyan ako, nagpapaputi ako.
Diba? See? Anyway, so are you married?
No.
No.
Supposed to.
Oh my God. Are you broken-hearted?
No. Before you was to.
I have a friend that I can recommend.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. You want to know you want to know the name?
Oh, sure.
Marvin Pablo. Oh my God. Joke lang. Klase ko nung high school. Hindi, biro lang.
Sa Alcala?
Sa Alcala. Alcala, Pangasinan. Ay, lukahan na. Manang. Ay, nagdaktal takwam. Databadom.
Pangasinan din ako eh.
Saan po doon?
Asinggan.
Oy, ang bayan po ni the former president, Fidel Valdez Ramos. Tama?
Yeah. Kidding.
Kidding? Sosyal. Mark, di nakita ng mga pagkakabahan dyan ng kidding? Di ba? Parang kanta ni kidding. Ito na naman yung mga jokes kung walang kabuhay-buhay. Anyway, 2 years ago may ginawa ka. Morning, lunchtime.
No, 3 years ago. It was 3 years ago.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Makareact lang sa social. Really? How come? So, years ago,
Yes.
years ago, so, to your vivid imagination, di ba?
Imagine mo lang.
Ano na?
Imagine mo lang.
Alright, sige. Years ago, you did something naughty.
Yes.
And, what was the time of the day?
That was winter time.
Winter time. No, the time of the day. Like morning,
Oh,
lunchtime?
sorry. It was, midnight.
Midnight.
Yeah.
It was during the time I was on air. In the Philippines. Alright, so midnight, years ago, you were with someone.
Yeah, it was a friend of mine.
Just a friend of yours?
Yeah.
And-
Because I was drunk and then...
You were drunk and you were
Because I
so
was pissed
friendly
off.
with... Naku, landi mo.
Siyempre, I know.
Diba, mga kaibigan, ito po ang Canadian edition of a Filipino-style kalandian. Parang noodles lang no? Okay, sige. So, you were drunk midnight. Bakit? Saan ka galing? Anong party?
No, it wasn't a party. Wala lang, because I was a broken-hearted that
Oh
time.
my
and then-
God. So it was a party because of a third party. Hayop. And you were out drinking with a friend.
Yeah.
Oh, di ba? English to. Na-English si Chico Loco. Hindi niya kayang gawin to eh.
At Tagalog ka lang gusto mo.
No, I'd like to do this, di ba? Because I'm not bleeding yet.
Okay.
Di ba? But my pimples are popping out of my skin. Yung pimples. Uy, magandang payo. Di ba? Sa mga may pimples, di ba? Kung may pimples ka, punta kay Dr. Joel Mendez, matatanggal yan. Kung ayaw mo, tinatamad ka, makipagsuntukan ka, di ba, napisa lahat. Pag tinamaan sa pak, pisa. Wala na siya mamaya. Alright.
Also, it was my first time to do this, so, yeah.
Okay. So,
yeah.
sige.
Go ahead.
Itong kaibigan na pinag-uusapan natin is a guy.
Yes, it is.
Alright. So, after drinking, after, a little more than being buzzed, you're
Yeah.
drunk, tipsy and all that, weary, o diba? Dagdag vocabulary.
Yeah.
So, where did you guys go?
We rent some motel.
So, what was the deal? Why do you have to go to a motel with a friend?
I was like, okay.
So, alam mo na ba na kikemi kayong dalawa before going there, or?
No, he was asking me like, oh, what do you want for fun, blah, blah, blah. Kasi ako open-minded akong tao eh.
So open panty din. Huh! Alandi mo!
Why?
Sometimes, mga kaibigan, we give a very, very bad definition to the term open-minded. And you are a proponent. Or maybe contributor.
Probably.
Probably. So siya, no? Parang nag-bacon o Hungarian sausage.
Probably.
O, diba? So, you went to a motel.
Yeah.
Okay. So, before going there, before you went there, you already knew that you're going to do some diin-diinan ng Chuba Necklace Eklavarvar inside.
No.
No?
No, not that. Kasi pag lasing ako, I know what I'm doing, but that time I was so depressed and everything, so I was like,
So, evidently, you thought, diba? You thought you knew you were doing, but you did not.
yeah.
You
kasi-
were wrong. You were wrong. Okay.
Naman, naguluhan ako.
Kasi English eh. Matuto ka nga mag-English. Tapos,
So, naubos ko yung, I think, kasi dalawa ininom kong alak eh.
dalawa inom mong alak.
One,
Oh.
ano ba yan? 50 ml na apple, basta hard siya. Both
Hard.
One is Patron and then one is a apple something. I think it's a rum.
Hard apple daw ba yung hard? May point ka, Mark D, no? Pag bumanat kayo, medyo may kabuluhan, ha? Patapos.
Kasi lakas lang tama eh.
Okay. So you were drunk, you went to a motel with a friend, you thought you're just gonna rest there with a friend,
Then sabi niya,
and then when you were lying down sa bed, what did he do to you?
he asked me to do some, alam mo na.
He asked you to?
What do you call that? Like, to lead. So I was like, okay, fine.
Let's get laid, ganon?
Yeah. And I was like, okay, fine, let's do it.
Let's get loud! Let's get loud! Let's get loud! Kayo naman, let's get laid! Let's get laid!
Sabi ko,
Kalandian
so I
mo.
was like,
Oh.
so I was like, okay, fine, we can do it. So, kasi,